Shadow Stalker here. My book came, so we get to do a box opening and a cover reveal. But I know you're supposed to do the cover reveal first, but I don't care. I'm just gonna do it my way.
More fun that way.
More fun that way. Always more fun that way. Nothing like falling apart. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm gonna ruin my own book. Don't do that. Oh no. You're still getting this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pull. Pull. No, just pull. No, no, you can't do that. Ah, okay. Okay. Ooh. Everybody ready? Intruders upon the realm. A non-linear observation of a paranormal spiritual life by Shadow Stalker.
There's paper hanging out.
Yeah, that's the paper. From Lulu.com. I'll give the rest of the info when I get the time.
We'll send a
Awesome.
link.
I'll send all links on the bottom when I'm done. This is just a precursor because I have to still check to see if things are properly set. Oh, it looks good so far. It's more like a memoir / journal. So there's no title pages, there's no regular numbers on the pages, so there you go. Straight out the gate. That's what it's all about. Thank you for watching. More to come soon. Shadow Stalker out.